My name is Keely Childress. I'm the Director of Community Relations. I would like to take this opportunity to share our new micro pantry. As you can see inside, we have a lot of goodies, and we would love for you to come out and get some. As you notice, this is given to us by Micro Pantry. The information is below if you are interested as a business owner to have a micro pantry in your community. Non-perishable items that you can come out and have anything that you want in the pantry.
So we provide micro food pantries all throughout Illinois, and basically it's not about us or an organization. It's about everybody. It's about everybody doing their part to help their neighbor, and it's take what you need, leave what you can. So if you're a little extra blessed, and when you're at the store, pick up a few things of food that are shelf stable and put them in the pantry to help somebody else out. And if you're in need, come take what you need. If you need food for your dinner that day or your lunch, come take what you need. And it's just meant to get the community involved to help out other people in the community.
A lot of proud people in this world, but as a result of that, some people do not, they rather go without than to have because they're proud. To me, you may be proud, but this will allow you to not interact with other folks. If you need food and for some reason you do not want to know that you're in need for whatever the reason is, get in your car, get somebody to drop you off, or walk up here, drive up here, open this pantry, get what you need. Now, juices. This is just wonderful. The creativity of that's why lines are terrible things to waste. Whoever came up with this idea targeted a sector that most people forget about. This is wonderful. I love it.
One of the things I want to personally say is thank you so much, Jeff, for you and your wonderful wife for coming out and giving us an opportunity to have a micro pantry. As the village manager indicated, this is an opportune time where people that are in need don't have to have a proud part in their system because the food is here. It will be stocked up every Thursday. So starting today, you can come by, get you some goodies out of here. Shout out to everybody that's out here because if you open it up, I'm so overwhelmed right now because now I have a total of 3 more boxes that's in my trunk that somebody just rolled past to donate. So again, we believe in giving back to our community. We believe in making sure that all the communities, not just University Park, but anybody that's passing by is able to get food. And thank you, special thanks to the Chief of Police, because we thought about different locations. Originally, it was going to be in front of code enforcement, but now we are in front of the police department, so safety is number one. If you are in a wheelchair, you can come right up, get your items, and then you can go home. So thank you so much.
Well, absolutely. Just again, congratulations to the administration, to Mr. Keely Childress and our manager for another good effort output to our residents. Thanks again for all the support. And now, guys, all this great work. Fantastic. Continue the good work, and I'm in full support of the time.